In this video, I'm going to teach you how to convert your Roblox credit into Robux. Let's start this tutorial by opening Roblox on your device. We'll be using the Roblox on our browser. Log into your account, and once logged in, click the Roblox logo on the upper right part of Roblox. Select Buy Robux from the menu. In here, select the price or Robux amount you wish or the Roblox credit that you have. For example, we'll just select this amount to show it to you. In the payment window, look for the Redeem Roblox card and click it. All you have to do is to enter the code of your Roblox credit. Then check the box to acknowledge the terms of use. Then click the Redeem button, and after that, click the Submit Order button. If prompted, complete the verification and confirm your action. Once done, your Roblox credit into Robux. That's about it.